whoa, watch out, Benita, watch out, move. I'm gonna show you why.
Tucker, no.
No,
Tucker,
no,
no.
Beth. I'm gonna
Tucker,
show you why
no.
they call
Tucker,
me the
come
water.
here.
See that?
Take a bath.
Tonka.
What are you doing?
This could be the bath. Now, have you ever seen a dog
Tucker.
walk on water, Benita? Oh, got water in my nose, Benita.
Out.
I'm not gonna get out.
Count as a bath.
It could count as a bath if you just get the bubbles.
No, it does not.
It could.
Come on, you gotta get out and take a bath.
You gotta get in,
Come
take a
on.
bath. Go get the bubbles.
Tucker,
Bring the bubbles,
Okay,
and then
you
you
have
could
to
get
get out
in,
and take a
and we
bath.
could do the bath out here. Look how nice it is.
Tucker, come on.
Mm-mm.
Tucker, come on, you gotta get out. Tucker,
Maybe get water.
Tucker, this is
My
not getting you a
nostrils.
bath. No, it's not. This is not how you take a bath.
Could take a bath like this.
Come on,
Uh-uh.
out you go.
Not happening. Took a bath last month.
Come on, come on. No,
Okay,
come
okay,
on.
I'm coming.
Come on, we gotta go
First,
take a bath. Tucker,
grab some of my toys. Oh, yeah.
Tucker!
Where's my chicken? Where's Mr. Chicken?
Come on.
Come watch the Scooby-Doo.
Wait.
Monroe, come with me, Monroe.
No,
Come inside, come on.
Tucker, you're not going out!
Oh, baby.
You have to take a bath.
Okay, Benita, let's make a deal.
You have to take a bath.
Okay, I'll take a bath.
No, you
If we could watch one episode of Scooby-Doo.
There, look cute. Come on.
We're only
Let's
30
go.
minutes. One new episode of Scooby-Doo, and then I'll take a bath. Deal?
Tucker, come on.
Deal.
Come on.
Oh, gosh. I don't know how I always end up in this situation.
Stay.
I'm staying.
Stay.
I'm here.
Good boy.
Psych! See?
Whoa, hey, fellas,
Marcus?
you
Whoa,
seeing
what
this
is it?
thing?
Look at
Here?
that. Wow, worm. I think it's worm. What's that, Marcus?
No idea.
It's worm.
I'm gonna go across it, Marcus. Whoa, be careful.
Oh! Seals! Seals! It's a seal! God, we're all gonna die! Die! We're gonna die!
Arthur, stop! Shut up! Well, everybody just calm down, okay? Let's
going
think
for it,
about this like
guys.
rational
I'm going
penguins,
for
all
it.
right? Let's go for it,
Oh,
man.
cheer
Arthur,
up.
what are you
Oh,
doing?
let's go,
Don't do
Flipper.
it!
Oh, I can't swim
Arthur.
anymore. Oh.
Should we go after him or just let him go? Just, I like this,
Seals!
man.
Seals! It's a
No
seal!
wheels crossed. Whoa,
I'm going with Arthur.
God
I'm going with Arthur. Ah!
All right, can we just please try to work together so we can figure out what? Hey, Richard, will you shut the hell up? Jesus Christ!
Hey, move out of the way, see? I'm in charge now, okay, Marcus?
Shut it! Get the hell out of here, man.
Alright, that seems no problem.
Hey, Keegan, you got something on your face,
Hey,
dude.
Jordan, I said don't touch my face, all right? So don't.
Back you.
Jordan, I got an important date with Sheila tonight at the Emperor Ball, so don't even mess around.
Keegan, I already asked you at the Emperor Ball. She's going with me.
You're lying, Jordan. There's no way she.